This yew tree is huge. That's got to be a couple of thousand years old. Morning everybody. I have arrived nice and early for an 11-mile walk today from this beautiful village called Eastling, and if I'm a bit early I like to check out the local church and its graveyard and just have a little bit of calm and peace at the beginning of the day. It's quite interesting to wander around. Every churchyard is obviously different. That one has a huge yew tree, so I'm going to look up how old it is, but I'm pretty sure I've never seen one that big before. Today we are walking 11 miles down to Stallisfield Green, which is another pretty little village. This is the area of outstanding natural beauty through Kent, just south of Faversham. And I'd love to take you with me, as I always do. And today I'm going to be just looking at things in a little bit more detail. Let's see what that means. Yeah, it's beautiful through here, yeah. Here we see a wild photographer in his natural habitat, lone wave reaching out to his fellow species. Am I all alone, or are my fellow walkers leaving me behind? Here he comes. Oh, little snappy snappy. Oh. Stop for a nice little picnic stop in these woods, or by these woods. These were the woods that we got lost when Simon and I did the recce and couldn't find the footpath, but luckily we found it today and everyone's enjoying this lovely valley, like clearing I guess, to have their lunch. There's loads of mushrooms around today. It's really fascinating to see them. I don't know any of their names, so I'm definitely going to try and get some good mushroom knowledge. Especially with this time of year being mushroom season, essentially. So we're probably about 5 miles into the walk. We've got another 6 to go. Nice long walk today to stretch the legs out. Noisy Noonum. Do you want to be in the video? that's it. The walk's over. I'm walking back to Whitstable now, which is about a 6-hour walk. That is not true. Of course I'm not doing that. It was beautiful out there. It's definitely autumn now, but there's so much to see. You kind of think nothing's happening in autumn, but it's true. There's loads of beautiful colours, and the mushrooms were spectacular, as you will have seen. The group enjoyed it, which is always good, and there's a lovely group of people on these walks. I'll put a link to my walking group down in the description, so if you're looking for a walking group in Kent, I'm a little biased, but you know, this is the one to join. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed seeing this part of Kent a little bit up close and personal. I hope you've managed to get out and about this weekend and get a walk in, and I will see you very soon. Take care, bye.